Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This short video is going to intimate you on how to be positioned for the Assisterr airdrop. It's an AI project, very strong one, and I believe the airdrop will be high, will be tangible, considering the narrative of the project. So I'll just summarize what you need to do to get started and position yourself for the airdrop. And then towards the end of the video, feature other AI related airdrops that are relevant. So upon onboarding, do well to grab your daily tokens. This is a good way to earn a tangible amount of the ASSR token. Okay, so you are connecting to this portal with Solana, with your Solana based wallet such as Phantom. Then you can now complete all these quests here to accumulate the points shown here. Okay, my invite will be in the description. Now, productive wise, if you go to SLM store, you will find a bunch of models that you can chat with to assist you, especially with things related to Web3. There are a variety of niches here. For example, if you're to chat with Jupyter Assistant, it will help you with inquiries related to Jupyter. Now, it will cost you 1 ASRR per query. Now, I don't know exactly if you earn points or you may merely expend one. If you earn ASRR by querying this agents, or if you merely spend your ASRR. But in my case, I do chat with some of these agents to test them out, to see also how they fare in terms of productivity and all that. So, querying this is as simple as typing a question or selecting the question of your desire here. But I'm going to be chatting with my own such like agent in the course of this video, and if you like, consider doing so. So you will see that this Jupyter Assistant has earned 172,000 ASRR. So basically 1 ASRR for each query. So it's a public agent featured on the store. It's obvious thus that a good way of earning a lot of ASRR tokens besides the traditional method featured earlier is creating your own agent. Okay, so I do have my own agent. I'll put it in the description in case you want to chat with it. It will help me earn some ASRR. And if you end up creating your own agent, you can feature it, as a comment, and I would likely chat with it as well. So I created this one recently. Originally, it was free to create, but now it costs 0.1 Sol, which is around $17 to $18. So I created this. Okay, so I cannot actually chat with. Okay, maybe I can. So I created this, which you can interact with. I'll feature it in the description. List me 10 prospective airdrops. I don't know how, sophisticated it is in terms of research, but let's try it in the course of this video. You may want to try it as well. Wow. It looks capable. Although this information, I'm not sure if it's feasible at the moment or it's past information. I'm not sure, because Sol, I don't even know if it had an airdrop but if it did, it's an old one. Umi, I believe, is an old airdrop, so it doesn't appear updated, but who knows, they may update it over the course of time. It's still currently I consider this like testnet phase. Okay, so how do you create your own? Wow, interestingly, they've added this, which I've not explored yet. They just added this. It had coming soon status before now. Okay, so this is likely for projects and stuff like that. I'll look into that later on. Okay, so you use AI Labs to create your own agent, and the process is now simplified compared to when I created this Kaito AI assistant, because you simply chat with an agent that will end up creating your own agent. You simply provide it information, it will populate all the form and all that. I don't want to. Okay, let's go ahead. Considering this is just a draft, so if you chat with this agent, you tell it the name of your model, you tell it what you expect it to do and stuff like that. It will basically provide. It will set it all up for you. I don't want to just give it random information at the moment. Now, if you need to configure it manually without the use of this AI assistant, you can as well. Click on configure and type in the information yourself. Very easy. You know, the name of the agent, the slug, then description of the agent, prompt to guide the agent, you know, so you wanted to do this to be able to find this information and stuff like that. Upload an image, conversation state starter, like prospective questions of the audience, you can give it for. Then if you have a data set, you upload the file. It will, for example, my own agent, if I configured it with a data set, it will have more up-to-date information basically. Then, but this is not compulsory, but if you want to extend the capacity of your agent, you can use that. Then publish, pay the fee through your Phantom wallet, and it becomes publicized here upon approval. Now, if you look at the leaderboard, you know, the topmost earners here are basically, you know, those SLM we saw earlier, Jupyter Assistant, you know, those highly queried ones. Okay, so that's about it. That's the summary for this video. I mean, for how to approach this airdrop. And it's time to conclude this video. Now, in the description, I'll add a bunch of other airdrops there in the niche of AI particularly that you should check out, especially where timeliness is of essence. One of them is Chainbase. If you have a wallet with a measure of history, you likely have an allocation awaiting you. So get there and claim. You will need an invite for this. The invite will be in the description. For this one, I believe the TG is near because they've instituted a foundation, but you can still get started and be highly ranked. Nansen, people don't know it has an airdrop, a known productive tool powered by AI, well partnered, but people don't know it has a point system. There's no points dashboard or anything on the platform, but there is hint of what to do to get this airdrop and earn points. It's basically using the platform actively, but even better when you upgrade your account to a pro version. That will cost you, but you will likely earn a bigger airdrop than the free users, as well as access more professional features here. Then you can check out layer based, although not in the niche of AI, but a very simple airdrop, node based. So set up your node here, and in the description you will find them, you know, a lot of airdrops there. To conclude, go to airdropc.com and submit your email, because by the end of February I'll have 100 solid airdrops available here, and I'll be sending an email to those subscribers. So submit your email here. I'm reforming this portal, removing obsolete airdrops, and I'll be filling it up with obtainable airdrops, 100 of them. Each of them will have its own publication tutorial. So submit your email here to get them. Even as it's disorganized, you will still find a bunch of obtainable airdrops here at the moment. Then follow this Twitter. Very important, because I'll be working on this Twitter exclusively for airdrops, and this Telegram. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action.